If Grammarly is showing an HTTP error 403, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 2 quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This error usually means your browser data, cookies, or one of your extensions is blocking Grammarly from connecting properly. So if Grammarly is not loading, not signing in, or showing a forbidden error, stick with me and follow these steps carefully. And before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to grammarly.com. Once the site is open, look at the address bar and find the site information icon. This is the little icon that lets you view details about the website and its stored data. Click that icon, then choose Cookies and Site Data. From there, click Manage On-Device Site Data. Now you should see a list of stored entries for Grammarly. At this point, you want to clean out anything that may be causing the 403 error. Click the trash icon next to each Grammarly entry to remove the save site data. This step can clear out corrupted cookies or session data that may be triggering the block. Once everything has been removed, click Done to save the change. After that, refresh the page and see if Grammarly loads correctly. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Sometimes VPN extensions, ad blockers, privacy tools, or other add-ons can interfere with Grammarly's connection and cause an HTTP 403 error. To fix that, click the extensions icon in your browser or open the three-dot menu and go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Here, turn off all extensions except Grammarly itself if you have the Grammarly extension installed. Once the other extensions are disabled, refresh the page again and test Grammarly one more time. In many cases, one of those conflicting extensions is the entire reason the site is being blocked. If Grammarly starts working again, you can re-enable your extensions one by one later to figure out which one caused the issue. If you're still having trouble after that, try signing out and signing back in, or test Grammarly in another browser to see whether the problem is browser specific. You can also check whether your VPN, firewall, or network settings are blocking access. But most of the time, clearing the specific site data and disabling conflicting extensions is enough to fix the HTTP 403 error. So to quickly recap, first remove Grammarly's on-device site data, then disable any conflicting extensions and refresh the page after each step. That should get Grammarly working again without much hassle. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button, subscribe for more easy software tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Grammarly problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.